morning, my dear little kids. So our today's activity is palm art, in which we learn how to draw the different things using your palm. So let's start. The material we need is crayon colors, white sheet, or you can take a white paper also of any kind, pencil, black sketch pen or eraser. Okay, so and your palms. So first of all, what you have to do, firstly we make a face of duck by using your palm. Okay, so do your hand like this and fold your last three fingers. Okay, fold your last three fingers like this and do it like here. Okay, like this. Now you have to take the pencil and draw at the boundary. Like this. Okay. Now you have to add a eye in this part. Look at, there is a curve like this. Little below you have to make a circle like this, and there must be a small circle like this. Okay, now you have to add a one line like this here. So look at, it resembles like a face of duck. Now I color it. I use the yellow color in this part. Do the color in one direction, okay? You can take your parents' help also to trace the hand, okay? Completely fill the white space. Now I am taking the orange color in his beak. So look at here, that gives the look of duck face. And now I'm doing his eye. Use the sketch pen. And fill the inner area. Okay. Now I am outlining the boundary. Go slowly like this. So our duck face is ready. Now we are making a peacock using your palm. Okay, now you have to do like this. Okay, you have to do like this. Now you have to take a pencil and slowly trace your hand like this. Okay, slowly trace your hand. Now join this area like this. Now at the thumb point you have to add a beak like a triangle like this. Okay, and in these fingers you have to make a feathers like this. Okay, you can make a feather according to you. Now we add a for this drawing you can take the help of your parents also. Now I am adding a eye here. Okay, now I am doing the coloring. Look, I first do the feather with the yellow. Okay, now I am taking the green color and using the hand area. Okay, go slowly and fill the area completely. Okay, leave this part, or you have to use a dark green color in this area. Now you have to take a blue color and use in a thumb. Don't do the color in the eye, just in hand area. You have to just complete the thumb area with the blue or this purple shade. Now leave it. Now take a green color again and complete the remaining area. Completely fill the white area. Now for beak, the red color beak here. Okay. Now you have to take this sketch pen and add their foots. For foots you have to draw this standing line, 2 standing lines like this, and then do like this. Okay, and second one we make a crown here like this. Okay, you have to make a crown of peacock. Now we are using the outline in the inner area where we use the pencil. Do it with the sketch pen. Okay, now we are go on the boundary. Do like this. Go slowly and don't pick your marker or sketch pen. Move it slowly on the pencil. Now outline her feathers. So the peacock is ready. So we make a peacock and a duck face using our palms. Now it's your turn to try this activity. For little drawing, for detailing, you can take the help of your parents. Okay, so hope so you like it. Thank you.